Okay, we're gonna do the cinnamon challenge. Here's my brown sugar thingy. Ew, it's so much. How much do you have?
I have like this much. Okay, 3.
You got more than me. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I need water. I'm gonna die. Oh, that was nasty.
Oh. Fuck! Oh! Oh. It's not even that bad. I'm gonna do that again.
That was the worst one I've ever done.
I'm gonna do it again. Okay, now it's like fucking balls, so we're doing it again. No, we didn't. Fuck, we didn't even record it.
Oh!